Arkonik proudly presents our latest stock vehicle, a D90 station wagon, Stealth. The bodywork is in Santorini Black, including a Puma hood. You have the WARN Zeon 12S winch. Stealth features a KBX grille in Zambezi Silver. You have LED side lamps as standard, with xenon headlamps at the front. Inside you have a brown leather trim, modular seats with standard lockbox in the front row, and an Evander rim wooden steering wheel. This particular station wagon features our off-road package, including a 2-inch lift. We have 18-inch gloss black sawtooth wheels with BFGoodrich KO2 all-terrain tyres. This vehicle features a front runner roof rack with 4 LED lights at the front. To match the KBX grille, you have KBX wingtop vents in Zambezi Silver. The badging front and rear is also in Zambezi Silver. This vehicle is powered by a 200 TDI diesel engine mated to an LT77 5-speed manual transmission. In the load area, you have 4 inward-facing tip-ups with individual seat belts.